Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Happy New Year! Oh my god, it's finally 2018. Today I have a hair tutorial for you. So 2 days ago I asked you guys what you wanted me to upload first, and most of you voted for the hair tutorial. So here it is. This is my fresh afro right here. I'm on a new schedule, by the way, so I'll be posting every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, which is 3 times a week. Yes, I'm trying to be consistent for you guys, and Valentine's Day is coming up, so you know that there's gonna be a lot of videos uploaded about that, makeup tutorial, fashion outfit, and actually, you know, more hair tutorials. Why not? So if you guys have any suggestions of what I should be doing next, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And make sure you guys stay tuned every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, so let's get right into it.
Okay, so I'm gonna apply this Arganics edge smoothing gel all over my edges, front and back, and grab my bristle brush to smooth my hair down. Next, I'm gonna use this piece of cloth right here. A lot of you guys have been asking me where I got it from in my 5 quick and easy hairstyles video, and let me tell you this, I got it from my clothes, okay, that I don't wear anymore. And this is actually the other half of the waist belt of one of my jumpsuits. I like to use this because I can manage my hair better. I don't know why, but with the elastic hairbands I struggle so much. My hair is very thick, and most of the elastic hairbands that I've used ended up breaking in the middle of the process. Plus, with this piece of cloth, I feel like I can make my hair as tight as I want. And speaking of tight, I love when my ponytail is kind of tight, not to the point where you feel like you're gonna pass out, but more because it gives you this natural facelift, if you know what I mean. Then I'm gonna grab some bobby pins to secure both ends and use an elastic hairband to make a bun. Moving on to the star of the show, I'm gonna use this Kinky coarse clip-ins from ToAllMyBlackGirls. I love these clip-ins because the hair texture is very close to mine, and so many people have actually been asking me if it's my natural hair because they both blend so easily together. And I'm gonna use 4 of these, and I will list all info about this hair in the DB down below. Once I'm done clipping the hair in, I'm gonna twist the end and wrap it around the bun to hide the tracks. And it's okay if your bun looks weird at first because the bobby pin will fix the rest. So I'm gonna use this dual brush and comb and take a little bit of hair out from both sides. And moving on to my edges, I'm gonna use this edge control gel. It's called Certified Bella Pomade, and it does not only smell good but also hold your hair down perfectly. I've been using that pretty much every single day. I love it so much. And then I'm gonna use a few more bobby pins to make sure there are no more flyaways. And the last product that I'm gonna use is this Curl Activator Moisturizer from LustraSilk, and this is my holy grail product, you guys. I cannot manage my hair without it, and a lot of you have been telling me that we have the same hair texture, and if you do, then this is what you should use as well. It leaves your hair feeling great, fully moisturized, and it smells so good. And if you want me to show you how I actually refresh my afro using a few of my favorite products, and this one included, then comment down below.
So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really did. I love this look. I feel like it's universal, it's so quick, it's so easy to do. Anybody could do it, and no matter how short or long, I mean, not really short to the point where you cannot even put your hair into a ponytail, but I feel like you could still like work it out, and the hair is like just so natural. I have a bunch of these, and I usually use 4 of them like you've seen in the video because I have a huge head, so I have to have a huge bun too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have more idea of like what I should be posting next, don't hesitate to comment and like and click out on that notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget, 3 days. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.